Hi there, Radiant Soul. This is Pam. Welcome to this sacred moment. This is your time, your sanctuary, your space to return to love. Today we are opening the doorway of the heart. As we move beyond thought, beyond the mind, into the power of elevated emotions. Because when the heart is open, the energy of creation flows. Take a big, deep breath in, letting it go slowly. And if you haven't already, go ahead and close your eyes. Let your awareness drift inwardly. Allowing your body to soften and to surrender. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. And then, starting at your toes, I invite you to relax your feet, your calves, your legs, your hips, relaxing your whole stomach, your chest, your shoulders, releasing the tension in your neck, in your jaw, relaxing all around your eyes. That's right. That's the perfect way to do it. Now imagine your whole body dissolving into stillness. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Just being. No boundaries, no edges, just awareness. Now gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest, your heart. Because when the mind and the heart come into coherence, your energy changes. I invite you now to place your attention on your heart, as if you were breathing directly through your heart. Inhaling love. Exhaling gratitude. Again, breathing in love breathing out gratitude. With every breath, feel your heart space expand, as if a soft, radiant light is glowing brighter and brighter. Now we begin to invite the elevated emotions into your heart, feeling appreciation for this moment. That's right. Feeling compassion for yourself and others. Feeling joy, pure, unconditional joy. Feeling love. Love that radiates without conditions, without limits. I now invite you to imagine a radiant light glowing from the center of your chest. And with each inhale, the light glows brighter. And with every exhale, it radiates further. Let this radiate outwards, expanding from your chest, filling your body with light. See this energy radiating beyond your body, expanding into the room, into your home, into the world. You are becoming coherent. Your heart and mind are uniting. Your energy field is harmonizing. Within the field of all possibilities, I invite you now to silently affirm with your awareness in your heart, my heart is open. My energy is love. Gratitude flows through every cell of my body. I am in harmony with life. My heart is the doorway to creation. Let these truths vibrate through every cell in your body, your entire being. Your thoughts are becoming coherent. Your emotions are becoming magnetic. And your heart is broadcasting a new signal into the universe. This new signature is normal. It is natural. I now invite you to imagine a golden thread connecting your heart and your brain. With every breath, the rhythm between the two, the thoughts soften and the heart leads. As you allow yourself to become aware of the radiant love within your heart. And I invite you to send this radiant love to any part of your body that is feeling tense, heavy, or unwell. Witnessing the energy harmonizing and restoring balance. I now invite you to radiate this heart energy towards your loved ones. Then to your community. And then to the planet. This heart radiance amplifies compassion and collective healing. I now invite you to imagine a version of self who already lives with an open heart, a coherent heart. And could you now imagine stepping into this version of self? Already living with an open, coherent heart. It's already real. Embodying that elevated future. I now encourage you to sense the magnetic bubble around your body. This heart energy circulates out and then looping back in, infinitely expanding. That's right. Endless, limitless, boundless. As you bring your awareness back to your heart, feel the steady rhythm of love. The deep calm of gratitude. The joy of being alive. Anchoring this feeling now. Know this truth. The universe responds not to what you ask for, but to the energy you are being. And today you are being love. You are being gratitude. You are being coherence. And that's the perfect way to do it. Taking a deep breath in and releasing it slowly. And when you are ready, bringing your awareness gently back into the room. You may want to wiggle your fingers and toes. You are love. You are coherence. You are the miracle. And it is already done. And when you're ready, opening your eyes softly. Blessings to you, beautiful soul. Much love.